Hi, Patrick and Sage Auto Repair here again. I'm going to talk to you briefly about the need to get your oil changed when it needs to be done. The time frame that it needs to be done varies upon the type of oil that you use, but if you don't, sludge can build in an engine and cause bigger problems. So pay attention to this video I've got coming up and I'll show you what I'm talking about.
Herein lies the problem, and that is this little orifice right there. It doesn't look like a hole because it's not a hole there right now in that spot. And this is supposed to be open, but this is also a fixed orifice, and it's all plugged with carbon. So now I'm gonna clean it out, but I gotta set the camera down. Okay, so I cleaned it all out, and that's what the hole looks like now. It's all open now. And if you'll see, I'll do a little demonstration here. I'm gonna use brake clean and spray inside of these holes, and you'll see the runners and how they have. Don't do that. And it should come out through these individual runners in the intake. You can see that or not, but where it's supposed to go, indicating that that port's now open. All right, I'm done.
So that's why you need to change your oil on a regular basis. Keep sludge from building in the engine. You do that and you'll save yourself a bunch of time, money, and a heartache.